Okay, the installer from Precision Garage just left with the estimate to raise the garage door to within about 6 inches or less from the ceiling, and that should give us enough room. In addition, to get rid of the motor and this dangling piece right here, I've decided to go with a side mount motor. I'll make it a cleaner installation and give me the maximum amount of room. The motor will be mounted on this side near the ceiling. This is the outline of the two garages. The lift is going to go on the right hand side garage. The modification to the garage hardware will be made in about 3 weeks, so we'll be waiting for that.